CGKG, come sing with me. Three little kittens. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 you shall have no pie. The three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens, you darling kittens, then you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 you shall have some pie. The three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What? Soil your mittens, you naughty kittens, then they begin to sigh. Meow, 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 they begin to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed. What? Washed your mittens, you're such good kittens, but I smell a fox close by. Hush, 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 I smell a fox close by. Meow, 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 I smell a fox close by.